Hey guys, it's Trip here with Mayhem Garage. Just giving you a little update on my Camaro project that we've got out here. It's a blue 99 Camaro. It's a LS setup, T56, Texas speed cam, take level 2 performance transmission, Moser 9-inch. It's got a drive shaft, get all that power down to the ground, that spec clutch to hold up that abuse. We're gonna have some fun out there and making sure those Coney shocks take a little bit of a beating as it's all putting that power smoothly to the ground. All right, so a little backstory on me if you guys don't know who I am. Again, my name's Trip Robinson. What do I do for a living? I build and design wire harnesses and electronic systems for all kinds of different cars. Cup cars, race cars, IMSA cars, prototypes, land speed cars, endurance cars, street cars. But on top of that, I'm a driving instructor. I'm a chief driving instructor for a program called Extreme Experience. What is Extreme Experience? Extreme Experience is the premier supercar driving experience out there in the country. If you want to go out there and drive Corvette, Nissan GT-R, Dodge Challenger, come see us over there at Extreme. We'll be happy to show you what we can do and over there. Here at Mayhem Garage, I've got a couple of cars. This is my toy box of fun. Let's get you introduced with the program and have some fun out here today. All right, she's up on the lift. It's all ready to set back down. We've got this beautiful Tech level 2 performance transmission. Here's the motor that we've got going into the Camaro. Nothing too rowdy. It's just a simple LS1, LS6 intake, 243 heads, and a mild Texas speed camshaft. Pretty little red Corvette over there. Going to be seeing some attention here later. Get to that later on. Thanks for hanging out and checking out what's going on with the Camaro project here. Here at Mayhem Garage, I'm going to have a lot of little things going on. Over this off season, we're going to be hanging out with the RC cars. I've got a Traxxas UDR. I've got a Traxxas Slash Monster that I built. A couple of Armas we're going to throw together. We have a little track set up in the backyard. We'll have some fun with that. We've got an R32 Skyline setup that we're waiting on the motor to come back from Automotive Specialists. That's going to be a 417 cubic inch LSA setup. Should make some rowdy power with that blower. We'll get the Camaro back together, have some fun with it. I've got the Miata set up, just need to get it on the lift, nut and bolt it, make sure it's good to go. Who knows what we might get into. The mischief is always on the table here with us at Mayhem Garage. Maybe we'll find another H-Series motor. If you've got a lead on an H-Series motor, give me a shout out. Looking for one. Got one in the shop. We'll see if we can get it going. Looking to get that Accord going to maybe do some more endurance races with it here in 2023. Sparrow Speeds wanting to see what we can do. Have some more fun with that car. Other than that, cause a little mayhem, stir it up a little bit. Remember, keep it safe, keep it smooth, have some fun.